In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include a previous post on your website using WordPress, and it's all going to take just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, being able to quickly and easily guide your readers to your previous posts can enhance their experience significantly. So, let's jump right into this. To start, open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a login button in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click that. This will bring you to the login page. If you have a Google account linked to your WordPress, you can simplify the process by selecting the Continue with Google option. Just click on that and choose the Google account you want to use. If not, you can of course log in using your standard WordPress credentials. After you've logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. On the right side of your dashboard, there's a panel called Quick Links. Here you should see an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on this option will take you to the site editor where you can make changes to your website's pages and posts. Now, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You should see an Add button there. This is where we'll be adding a new block. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu with various block options. What you're going to do next is type Previous Post in the search bar at the top of this menu. As you start typing, you should see an option labeled Previous Post appear in the results. Click on the Previous Post block. Once clicked, this will add the block to your selected area on the page, creating a link that automatically connects to your previous post. This is incredibly useful for helping site visitors navigate through your content efficiently. And there you have it. By adding a previous post block, you make it easier for your readers to journey through your site's older content without missing out. It's a handy tool for keeping visitors engaged and increasing your site's traffic by encouraging readers to explore more of what you've written. That wraps up this quick tutorial on how to add a previous post to your WordPress site. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. Implementing this little trick is a great way to ensure that readers can easily engage with your content in an intuitive manner. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your website building experience.